This is why you need to know about cicadas. They might just be the loudest love seekers in nature. So, what's with the buzz, you ask? Cicadas are like the rock stars of the insect world. Their buzzing is actually a love song. Yep, male cicadas produce that distinctive sound to attract a mate. They have special organs called tymbals that they vibrate to create the noise. And the louder the buzz, the more attractive they seem. But why so loud? Well, cicadas are competing with each other for attention, so they crank up the volume. It's like nature's version of a rock concert, but with way more wings. Next time you hear that buzz, you'll know there's a cicada nearby, belting out its heart in the name of love. Mother Nature sure knows how to put on a show, right?